Now, it's very common lately for people to ask me why I focus on sleep, because I really do. I really focus on helping myself and clients get really good sleep as a cornerstone of some of the work I do. And the truth is, I didn't always focus on sleep. But what I started noticing is that it became a clear indicator of clients' positive transformation. My clients who were getting massive results, they always reported that they started sleeping better. And they always reported that there was something that they learned about their sleep in the process. And so I started incorporating good sleep as a cornerstone of part of the work that we do naturally. Because once I realized that, then it became apparent and obvious that clients that weren't sleeping well, we would have a really great session, but a lot of the changes wouldn't last. Most of the work that we're doing as hypnotists, like we can get our clients really great insights in a single session. Absolutely. And it's the client doing all of the work, to be really clear. But to get that change to stick and integrate it into their life usually takes more time, usually takes more effort. And this is where I see a lot of our clients, if they're sleeping well, and if they can address some of the ongoing stress in their life, and they can reduce the negative self-talk. Those are the three things that I'm addressing with every client, no matter what they come to see me for, would be sleep, stress, and addressing self-talk, negative self-talk, improving self-talk. And so sleep, once we address sleep, once we start sleeping better, everything improves. Everything improves. You can start dreaming again, and people have mixed feelings about whether they're dreaming or not, but there are absolutely some very powerful aspects of the mind when we are getting better sleep, when we are resting more. And there's a lot of things that we can do hypnotically that really impact our ability to sleep, because there's a lot of things going on in the mind that are preventing us from sleeping well. And some of that is how we think about sleep. Oh, I'm a terrible sleeper. Oh, I've never gotten good sleep. Oh, I haven't slept well since the accident. Oh, I haven't slept well since the surgery. All of that type of thing really is probably valid, and there's a lot of validity to it that needs to be validated and addressed and loved upon and really worked through emotionally. And then there's going to be some erroneous information as well, and you will feel, and what we want for the mind, usually in this case for the overthinking mind, it's not really calm or rest as much as satisfying the overthinking mind, fulfilling the overthinking mind, because it's just going to be thinking and thinking. And so the other change that I would make here would be, and people identify as having an overthinking mind, but I don't know that we would call it overthinking. We might be thinking about a certain thing too often, but the mind is going to think. And so I think a good way to think about this is we're redirecting some of that energy. So there is no more overthinking mind. It's always been thinking appropriately and in a loving way. And now we're going to invite the mind to rest at the conscious level. Maybe do some of its thinking at the subconscious and unconscious levels. For example, all right, I'm Erica Flint, professional hypnotherapy instructor and board certified hypnotist, and this is some top thoughts on sleep and helping clients with sleep. Love you lots. Hope to see you in the hypnosis classroom soon. Be sure to like and subscribe to get all of our professional hypnosis training content. So if you want to be a professional hypnotist, please subscribe to this channel, and feel free to download our free relaxation recording at CascadeHypnosisCenter.com/breathe to start practicing and stabilizing a relaxed state. All right, hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.